I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I take shower. I take shower. I get dressed. I get dressed. I have breakfast. I have breakfast. I go to work. I go to work. I take the bus. I take the bus. I drive to the office. I drive to the office. I start work at 9 a.m. I start work at 9 a.m. I have a meeting at 10 a.m. I have a meeting at 10 a.m. I take a lunch break. I take a lunch break. I eat lunch at 1 p.m. I eat lunch at 1 p.m. I finish work at 5 p.m. I finish work at 5 p.m. I go to the gym. I go to the gym. I exercise for an hour. I exercise for an hour. I go home. I go home. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. I watch TV. I watch TV. I read a book. I read a book. I go to bed at 10 p.m. I go to bed at 10 p.m.